actually at the beach at one of my favorite beaches ever. It's always so warm. The weather is so nice today. I think it was like what, like 90, 92 today. So yeah, of course I'm gonna be here. So right now what I'm gonna do is just show you guys around and bring you guys along in my day. My brother, he's just laying there right now. Say hi. Say hi. It's being too much. Say hi. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Are you having a good time? Huh? That's my mama on the corner. That's my mama on the corner kissing peas. It's my grandfather. Hola, abuelo. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello. Hi, Pa. Pa, say hi. Abuelo. Abuelo. Mama. Mom. So I'm getting close to the water right now. It's actually cold because summer like just started, so my feet are freaking freezing. But hold on, let me show you guys. Let me walk down with you guys. These are my lovely parentals. I can't even zoom in, but they're like right here. That's my mom. Now let's keep looking at this water. Honestly bet that every weekend I'm gonna be here because it's just so lovely. Like, yeah, look at it's I love the beach. It's like my happy place, really. During the summer, I get so dark because of it. I must actually sit down and just take it all in. Yeah, guys, this was like I was saying. This is just me chilling. My family's sitting somewhere over there. The water is getting cool because the sun's going down, but who cares? Look at my head, it's glowing. But yeah, let me know what you guys are doing this summer in the comment box. Let me know what's happening. Oh my god, that water's freaking cold. Guys, remember to always find time to just relax and calm down, because that's really important. I mean, people who are busy, like, just, we all need time to just simmer down, find ourselves again, relax, rest, because we all really deserve it and our bodies depend on it, and so does our mind. So before anything, just, you know, wrap it all up, find something to do. It doesn't have to be the beach, it doesn't have to be anything like that. Whatever you like to do, just go and just relax, close your eyes, turn your phone off, do not disturb, because everyone can wait, but your life can't. So self-care first. And if you guys enjoyed this little vlog, I never vlogged this little vlog, then yeah, tell me what I should be doing more and I will do it. You guys give and I will provide. So remember guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna just go back and chill. Bye guys.